Hey everybody, welcome back in. Going to get to another pack from that blaster box of the 2024 Panini Prizms. I'll be 100% honest with you guys, I have not had any kind of luck on these Panini Prizms, except for that card right there. Alright, here we go guys. We got Walker Martin. We got, pretty sure he's a Hall of Famer, Raleigh Fingers. Another red prism underneath. Cleveland. Jim Thome. Is that one of the Pulsar? Oh, it looks pretty cool. Oh, that's number 2 too, so at $3.99. Nice. That's a really cool looking card. Alright, then we got Colin Puck and Ethan Zarowski. That one should be worth something. Nice. Not bad, everybody.